Many people aspire to grow their wealth and achieve long-term prosperity. While the journey toward financial success may seem overwhelming, there are certain assets that have the potential to propel individuals toward their financial goals. At its core, wealth creation involves making strategic investments in assets that increase in value over time, generate income, or provide opportunities for entrepreneurial endeavors. These assets act as stepping stones, enabling individuals to build their wealth, secure their financial future, and fulfill their dreams. In this video, we'll explore a variety of assets that can help you grow your money and provide you with the opportunity to achieve financial freedom.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
Real estate. Real estate is a tangible asset that refers to properties such as houses, apartments, commercial buildings, or land. Investing in real estate can offer various advantages in terms of wealth creation. Over time, the value of real estate tends to increase, driven by factors such as population growth, urbanization, and limited land supply in desirable locations. Property appreciation can result in substantial profits if you decide to sell the property at a higher price than what you initially paid for it. Additionally, if you own a property, you can lease it out to tenants, who pay you regular rent in exchange for using the space. The rental income can provide you with a consistent cash flow stream, which can be particularly beneficial for covering expenses like mortgage payments, property maintenance, and other costs associated with property ownership. Stocks. Stocks represent ownership shares in a company and are a popular investment option for individuals looking to grow their wealth. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder and own a portion of the company, proportional to the number of shares you hold. As a shareholder, you have a claim on the company's assets and earnings. If the company performs well and generates profits, you may be entitled to a share of those profits in the form of dividends. Additionally, if the company's stock price increases over time, you have the opportunity to sell your shares at a higher price and make a profit. Bonds. Bonds are debt instruments issued by governments, municipalities, or corporations to borrow money from investors. When you buy a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer for a specified period. In return for lending your money, the issuer agrees to pay you the interest, typically at fixed intervals, and repay the principal amount at the bond's maturity date. Bonds provide a fixed income stream in the form of periodic interest payments. The interest rate, also known as the coupon rate, is predetermined at the time of issuance and remains constant throughout the bond's life. This fixed income feature makes bonds attractive to individuals seeking a stable and predictable source of cash flow. Intellectual property. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to legal rights granted to individuals or organizations for their creative and innovative works. There are several forms of IP, including patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, each providing different types of protection. Developing or acquiring valuable intellectual property can lead to various financial gains. Inventors and creators who secure patents or copyrights can license their rights to other businesses, allowing them to generate income through licensing fees or royalty payments. For example, a graphic designer can copyright a self-created character design and license it to an animation studio in exchange for an upfront licensing fee and ongoing royalties from merchandise sales. Education and skills. Investing in education and developing valuable skills is an essential pathway to enhancing earning potential and long-term wealth. While not traditionally considered assets, education and skills contribute significantly to an individual's human capital, which can lead to various financial benefits. Obtaining a higher education degree or acquiring specialized skills can open doors to a wider range of job opportunities. Many employers seek candidates with specific qualifications or expertise in their field. Having the necessary education and skills can make you a more competitive candidate and increase your chances of securing higher paying and more fulfilling positions. Moreover, gaining knowledge in areas such as business management, marketing, finance, or specific technical skills can provide you with the necessary foundation to develop and execute successful entrepreneurial endeavors. Understanding the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, combined with specialized skills, can increase the likelihood of starting and running a profitable business.
If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to leave a comment. We appreciate all comments and feedback from you.
Thank you so much.
That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.